Hey there, welcome to YouCanTube. In this video I'm going to show you how to add end screens to your videos. So here you are in your YouTube studio. You just click on this and you find your YouTube studio. There's a drop down here, but I'm already in my YouTube studio, so we're going to go add an end screen to a video. So this video here is not published yet, so I'm going to work on this one here. So we're going to click on the edit button. So you just hover over this, click on the pencil, and this will open up into edit. So here is where you edit your video. So you go over here to the right, you drop it down. And right here you'll see end screens. And you'll see cards. I'll show you cards as well, but first we're going to show you the end screen. So we're going to click on the pencil to edit. And this is where you're able to add end screens, which are videos at the end of your video, this video here, that will take people to another video. All they have to do is click on it. So you have different templates here that you can choose from. You can add 2 videos here. You can add a video and then your subscribe button on this side. There's all kinds of different templates you can use, or you can just do it manually. So you want to click on the element. What element do you want to add? Do you want to add a playlist or you want to add a video? In this tutorial, we'll just add a video. So click on there, and now we'll bring this to the end of my video. So we'll drag the video over to here, because as you can see I have watch next and I have my fingers going 2 different directions. So I'll put one video here and then I'll grab another video because I'm going to need 2 in here. We'll click on video again, and we have another end screen here. So you can just pretty much place them anywhere you want. If you get an error, just move them around. So this moved on me. As you can see down here, you have a lot of room. You can start showing your end screen earlier in the video. I like to move mine right to where that starts, where the watch next portion of my video starts. So now we'll put the timer here and we'll push play. Actually, we'll go back a bit.
Next video. Thanks for watching.
So it didn't actually start right there, so I want to move it right where it starts. Oh boy. Okay, let's go back here. I want to move that to almost there, I think. I want to make sure it runs to the end of your video, so we'll test that again.
Video. Thanks for watching.
There we go. So the videos are showing. Now we want to edit what videos we want people to watch. Like I said, you could add a playlist here as well, or a subscribe button to your channel. So you have choices. Video element. You got most recent, best for viewer. The best for viewer does not really target exactly what your topic is, what's most relevant to what your video is, so I don't use it. I choose my own. Choose specific video. Then you can select from your videos or from any YouTube video on YouTube. Of course you want to promote your own. So that video there is about a boat motor fix. So I'll just grab one here like this. This is a boat motor fix as well. And you can see that's at the bottom now. Now we want to see this, how it put itself in this spot. So now I want to put a video up in the top spot. So I have to click on this gray part here. And now it's highlighted blue. So now we can add a video there. So we're going to choose a specific video again. And we're going to type in, say you have a lot of videos, just type in something that is relevant to your videos, that video there. So I typed in boat, so you can see all my different videos about boats. So here's another boat fix video. I'll throw that one in there. So now we have 2 boat videos that are relevant to the video that's here. So we'll test that one more time.
Video. Thanks for watching.
There you go. That's all you do. So it's right at the end of your video. We're going to click Save Changes, and that is done. Now I'm going to show you end cards. Cards are a little different. So you can put a card anywhere in your video, but best practice is to put it at the end of your video, somewhere near the end, because if you put one here, like let's say 1 minute into your video, and your video is, what is it, 4 minutes and 49 seconds, you put an end card here, all of a sudden it shows up here. People may click on it and go watch that video, so they didn't finish watching this video at all. And you want to get the most watch time on every video. So I never put end cards or cards anywhere in here until I get near the end of my video. So let's say I'm around 20 seconds from the end. See what I'm talking about here first.
My problem was solved and the boat is running great now. So don't forget.
Okay, so about right there, I'm closing up my video. I'm going to click on a playlist in this one, or you can add a video. And I'm going to click on my Mercury outboard motor and boat repairs. I'm going to add that playlist, and when it reaches that mark right there at the 4 minute and whatever it is, 30-second mark, this will pop up. Suggested Mercury outboard and boat repairs. People can click on this and go to that playlist. So I'll just show you how it works. We'll come back a bit, push play.
Out great for me. My problem was solved and the boat is running great now. So don't forget, go to the black
There,
one.
see it pop up?
So again, thanks for watching. I hope this video helps. Hit the like button.
So I'm going to click save. And that's all you have to do. So again, thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. Be sure to hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you on the next video.